Hey guys, what's up? Today we are unboxing a chair from Hernest.com. So this would be Emily 28-inch upholstered fabric high back rocking chair. It has solid wood legs and I'm excited to see what it's gonna be. Alright?
Yeah man, definitely excited. That's a mouthful. Alright, yeah. So immediately we'll get cracking with this thing.
Yeah, oh wait. It says do not cut the sharp
objects.
Okay, so just cut the sides.
Yeah, I'm careful. But it's good that you're reading though.
Alright guys, so discount code for this item can be found in the description box of our video. Alright, so go to Hernest.com and copy some shares, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
Frame.
This is the frame. You hold that.
I'm excited. I've never owned a rocking chair before.
Yes. And by the way guys, we are Airbnb hosts. We operate a number of listings now. Alright. We are always looking to improve our space. Yes, Carrie?
Hi baby.
So we are always looking to improve our space, and pieces like this will definitely help us in that aspect, alright? So whether you're an Airbnb host or you're just an average homeowner that just wants to improve your space, the pieces from Hernest will definitely help you along with that, alright? So they have chairs, bedroom furniture, coffee tables, you name it, they have them there on their website, alright? So without further ado guys, we're gonna get cracking. So we're seeing this is like some of the more upholstered pieces. Yeah. So we have those.
Yes, it looks good so far. I love the color so far. And what I've observed about the website is that it's not that pricey. And we got a discount code. So y'all need to check the description box for the discount code, alright? And they have it a sale on their website, so go check that out as soon as possible.
Alrighty, so we got some hardware right here. Alright, we got the screws, we got the Allen keys, we got those in this package,
Adrian, of course, is our assembly man, and I'm his trusty assistant.
Yeah.
Myself along with Kyrie. Okay, so these are the wooden bottom.
Yes.
That is going to be rocking on
the floor. These legs are felted. Plus you have a rubber bumper here, so this will work very nice on the floor. It won't be too noisy, won't give you any scratches if you're pushing it around.
Yeah.
So it's nice. We like it. We like it.
Definitely a plus.
Yes.
And this is and then we have a metal frame. So the metal frame on wooden legs.
Kyrie already getting comfortable right here.
You like it, Kyrie?
I like it.
Yes.
You like it? I know you do.
Let's pull this apart. No, that's not for that, Kyrie. Hold on. That's not for that.
You're so eager to help, right? Yeah.
Good boy. High five. High five. All right. Yeah, we are rock.
You're nice and firm already?
Yes. Right. Yeah. Boy, Kyrie, get all this in? You might get all this in?
I want to watch it.
You like the rocking?
You like the rocking? Alright, baby. Can you help Daddy by getting up? Thank you.
Wait, Kyrie. Alright. go now.
Hey guys, so it's done. So Adrian basically flipped this over and screwed the 2 screws on the bottom once he aligned these 2 holes in the side chair, okay, in the side arm. All right, so time for our cushion. As I was saying, these are Velcros on them, so once you put them down, it actually stays in place, which is really nice.
Right, Kyrie, let us put the seats in first, Kyrie.
Yes.
Let us put the seats in first.
Much better, guys. All right, so the cushions are in. As Adrian was saying, because the Velcros are in, it just stays in place.
Stays in place. It's quite nice.
Yes.
All right. Easy, straightforward installation. All right. So this is it. We're gonna let you, do the honors first. All right.
This is the finished product, guys. Remember, this is the Emily 28-inch upholstered fabric rocking chair with the wooden legs. All right. So on Hernest.com, you can go. This link is in the description box below for this particular rocking chair, which is really nice. The fabric is awesome. But if you are not interested in a rocking chair at this time, which I think you should be, Hernest.com has tons of furniture there for your family, home, for your Airbnb, for your office space, for any space. Go check out the discount code in the description box so you can get your discount. And thank you guys again for. Do you like it, Kyrie?
I like it.
Mwah.
I want to watch it.
You want to rock it?
I want to watch it.
All right.
All right, come and rock it. Come and sit right here. Come. Jump up. Good. Sit down. And rock it. Rock it. Hush, mommy, baby, I love you. Hush, mommy, baby, I love you. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining us on another Delphi family video. Hernest.com is buzzing, so go check them out. This is it from the Delphi family. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn the post notification bell. Put the setting on all. Big thumbs up on this and all our videos. Share this video and every other video.